Welcome to a quick guide on preventing documents from auto-downloading in WhatsApp Web on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever found your computer cluttered with downloaded files or worried about data usage, this simple tweak will help you regain control over what gets saved automatically. We'll walk through the steps clearly so you can set things up in just a couple of minutes. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and sign in as you normally would. Once you're connected, look to the left-hand side of the screen where your chats are listed. This is where the main menu lives, and it's the starting point for changing your download preferences. From the left sidebar, locate and click on Settings. It's usually found near the bottom of the panel, represented by a gear icon. A new menu will appear with several options to tailor WhatsApp to your needs. In the Settings menu, select Chats. This section focuses on how your conversations are handled and how content is managed as you interact with messages. You'll see several sub-options that control different aspects of your chat experience. Within Chats, find and click on Media Auto Download. This is where WhatsApp gives you control over what types of media are saved automatically to your device. The media categories typically include photos, audio, video, and documents. Now, look for the Documents category. You'll see a toggle or a set of options that determine whether documents are saved automatically when you receive them. Uncheck the Documents box or disable the Auto Download slider for documents. This ensures that documents you receive won't be saved to your computer without your explicit approval. With the Documents Auto Download setting disabled, you're in full control. You'll still receive documents, but they'll appear as downloadable items in the chat, and you can choose whether to save them to your device. This approach protects your storage, reduces clutter, and helps you manage data more efficiently. If you ever need to change this again, you can repeat the same steps and re-enable Document Auto Download at any time. It's a flexible setting designed to adapt to how you use WhatsApp Web. That's everything you need to know to stop documents from auto-downloading on WhatsApp Web. It's a quick adjustment with a big payoff in organization and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, consider sharing with friends or colleagues who might want a cleaner workspace too.